Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the guitar from the song It Ain't Me by Kygo and Selena Gomez. It's a song where we're going to use a capo on the 5th fret. So take your capo, tune your guitar and let's begin. So remember to put the capo on the 5th fret and we start playing an E minor, but we're not going to play the 4th and the 5th string, so it works as well without any finger on the left hand. But I always prefer to place the chord, because when you're playing a concert maybe you can play the wrong string and it still sounds good. So we put it the E minor, and with the right hand we play the 6th string with the thumb, 3rd string with the index finger, and 2nd string with the middle finger. I say 6th string, 3rd and 2nd. Okay, so we play those 3 tones at the same time. After that we slap. Okay, when we slap in the guitar, it's the thumb, the finger that slaps, and the other fingers just come to the place to get ready to play again the same strings, or the strings that we're supposed to play after. Okay, and after the slap we play with the same fingers and same strings that we had on the first chord, but we play 3rd string, 6th and 2nd. Okay, and after that we slap again. And like that we have the first chord, that E minor. Notice that I'm playing this slowly than the original one. Later on we're going to play a little bit faster. Okay, so you get that first chord. Okay, so we continue with a G, but they, in the original one, instead of playing a normal G, like we used to play, they do like this: the index finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string, the ring finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string, and the middle finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Okay, the right hand plays exactly the same that we did on the E minor. Okay, exactly the same. If you feel that it's too difficult to use this position, you can always play with a normal G. It's not a huge difference, but it's always nice to learn new positions. Okay, so you decide which one do you want to use. So there we have the first measure, E minor and G. Okay, so let's say that first measure together. Slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... Let's say it one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and then we come to the next chord. It's a C. And the right hand moves one string up. So now we play the 5th, 2nd and 1st strings. But we play exactly the same rhythm that we did on the first measure, only with different strings. Okay? After that, we come back to the G, the same position that we had, or the one that you're using. So the right hand comes back to the strings 2, 3 and 6. Okay, so the whole second measure. Okay, and there we have the first line. I'm going to show you from the beginning, measures 1 and 2, and then we try together. Okay, so let's try together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so then when we arrive to the third measure, that one is exactly the same as the second one, where we play that C and G. So we play again C and G. And we arrive to the last measure, the fourth measure, where we play a D. So this time the thumb plays the fourth string. There we have the bass of the D string, a D. Okay, and the other fingers does the same that we did on the C, playing the second and the first strings. Okay, so we play that one time. And then, the second time we're going to play again the D, but we play an extra note, like this. We place the pinky finger on the left hand, on the third fret first string, and the right hand is going to do exactly the same. But this time, when we play the three tones at the same time, with the left hand we do a pull-off. Okay? So the right hand does exactly the same. It's only that extra thing on the left hand. So I'm going to show you the whole fourth measure. Show you one more time. Let's say that measure together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... Let's say one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and there we have everything. I'm going to show you one time from the beginning, the measures 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we try together. Okay, so let's try together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so we just have to keep repeating the same thing. So now we can try from the beginning and we play it 2 times. As soon as we play that last D, we start again. Okay, so from the beginning and we play it 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so now we're going to try the same, play 2 times, but a little bit faster, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... let's try one more time at the same tempo. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. And that was It Ain't Me by Kygo and Selena Gomez. If you want to get more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. Or you can visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there's any song that you want to learn how to play and you don't find it in my website, just write me a comment and I'm going to try to do a video for you. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.